Welcome back. While the basic match case syntax is straightforward, its power truly shines in more advanced use cases. In this lecture, we dive into two crucial syntactical features: matching multiple literal values in a single case and adding conditional guards using the if keyword. 1. Combining multiple literal values, or operator. Often, several distinct values should trigger the same action. Instead of writing multiple identical case blocks, you can use the vertical bar, or operator to combine them. This pattern is concise and greatly improves readability, as shown here for grouping HTTP status codes by category. 2. Conditional guards, if keyword. When simple value matching is not enough, you can add a conditional guard using the if keyword immediately after a pattern. The guard expression must evaluate to true for the case block to execute. This is how you implement range checks, greater than or less than conditions within the match case structure. Notice we use a variable x to capture the value and check the condition against it. 3. Combining or and if guards. You can combine both features for complex yet readable logic. Here, the case matches if the status is either logged in or premium user, but only if the additional condition, that the user session active boolean is true, is met. This demonstrates the expressiveness of the full match case syntax. To summarize, these features significantly extend the reach of match case beyond simple equality checks. Our next lecture 32.04, Using Collections. See you there.